Good morning everyone, and I will discuss about reflection symmetry and rotational symmetry. Symmetry Symmetry is defined as a balance and proportionate similarity that is found in two halves of an object. It means one half is the mirror image of the other half, and and the imaginary line or axis along which you can fold the figure to obtain the symmetrical halves is called the line of symmetry. And today's video, I will go to reflective symmetry is when a shape or pattern is reflected in a line of symmetry. A mirror line, the reflected shape will be exactly the same as the original, the same distance from the mirror line and the same size. For example, this yellow bell is meron siyang 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sa bawat petals ay 360 degrees. Or ang kabuuan niya is 360 degrees. So kung i-divide natin to sa divide by 5 is equals 72 degrees, di ba? So ito ay 72, 72, 72, 72, 72. 360, 360 divide by 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equals to 72. Sa ibang bulaklak naman, ito, bougainvillea flowers. 360 din. At i-divide mo din siya sa tatlong petals. No? 360 is divided by 3 is equals to 120 degrees. 120 degrees Celsius ang bawat petals ng isang bougainvillea. At ito naman, hindi ko alam kung anong bulaklak rin. I-divide naman natin to sa, ganun din po, paulit-ulit lang siya. 360 at i-divide mo siya kung ilan yung petals na napapaikot dito sa bulaklak na ito. Ganon din to. So, sa rotational naman po is the rotational symmetry if a figure is rotated around a center point and it still appears exactly as it did before the rotation. The example, as a rotation is kapag renotate mo siya ng ganito is parehas din po yan. Yan, papunta doon, yan, papunta doon, at papunta naman po dito. Diba? It's the same rotations and same sizes pa din yung nangyayari no kapag reno-rotate mo yan. Now, hanggang dyan na lang po ang video yon at maraming salamat po sa panonood ng video nito. And don't forget to like and follow and share this video. Goodbye.